Assalamu alaikum and hello my beautiful YouTube family. I hope you're doing well. Today I thought I'd share with you a very delicious date roll stuffed with loads of nuts and loads of dried fruit, and it looks absolutely sassy and it's drool worthy on your iftar parties. As we know, we're halfway through Ramadan and it's just time for iftar parties, so let's show off some of your cooking skills, shall we? चलो शो शाम मारिए, बनाओ मेरी डिश तो शो मारो अपनी इफ्तार पार्टी च. It looks absolutely beautiful, very expensive looking, but it's really very easy to make. So first of all, what I've done is I have taken about 500 grams of majdool dates. These are actually de-seeded. I've taken the seed out and I have ground them in my chopper with a very tiny bit of water just to make a very rough coarse paste. So keep it aside. So first of all, we are going to actually roast some nuts. Nuts में क्या क्या है मेरे पास? I have got cashews, almonds, walnuts, dried figs which I have chopped and coated in ground almond. इन इसको ना मैंने हल्का हल्का सा बादाम का जो पाउडर नहीं होता जो ग्राउंड आमंड्स मिलते हैं बाजार में, उससे कोट कर लिया था ताकि आप उसमें स्टिक ना हो, चिपके ना, वरना वो बिल्कुल एक स्टिकी मैस बन जाएगा. And I've got pistachios. So what I'm going to do is I will lightly roast them, not too much, just to get the flavor out and give it a slight bit of color. That's it, nothing else. और कुछ नहीं करना. वो आपने शुरू में भी देखा था ना, एक पान वाली बर्फ़ी पड़ी थी जिसको कहते हैं ना दिल बर्फ़ी, दिल पेड़ा. और बेसिकली व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज़ उन्होंने मैं ग्रेट करके ना ये अंदर पा देना, खोए दी जगह इस्तेमाल करना है बाइंडिंग एजेंट, बिकॉज आई हैड इट, मैं फ्रीजर च रखी है, आई जस्ट टुक इट आउट, इट्स defrosted now, so I've grated it and I'm just adding it into my nuts mix. It will take about around about 5 to 7 minutes and that's it. 5 to 7 मिनट बाद जस्ट बाकी भी सारी जी बर्फी भोर पार दे ਉਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਤਰਫਾਣਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ ਗਲੇ ਮਿਲਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਆਪਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਮੁਹੱਬਤ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਾਉਣੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਦੋ ਚਾਰ ਕਿਸਿਸ ਦਵਾ ਦੇਣਾ, ਚੁਗੀਆਂ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, and that's it, it's all ready. So once this is done, keep it aside and just leave it to cool down. बहुत अभी ठंडा करने की लोड़ नहीं, it's fine. Just keep it on a side and that's it. Now I'm going to use some desi ghee. About a tablespoon and a half, and then I'm going to actually fry, not really fry, I'm going to saute these date paste. What I have added is about half a teaspoon of ground cardamom, green cardamom, यानी कि हरी इलायची का पाउडर थोड़ा जिना पाया है, और ਉਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਦੇਸੀ ਘੀ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਨਾ ਕੜਕੜਾ ਲਿਆ, ਵਾਹ what a word. So basically ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਤੜਕਾ ਮਾਰਿਆ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਤੇ and that's it. As you can see, it's becoming really pasty, really soft now. Once it starts leaving the pan, it is non-stick, but once you see that it starts becoming a ball-like consistency, just take it out, cool it down, spread it out. It will become like very soft leathery kind of consistency, and that is fine. You don't really need to cool it down for a very long time, as long as it's just touchable, that temperature which you can bear with your bare hands. And inna bhi thanda nahi anu karna कि वो बिल्कुल ही चमड़ा बन जाए, क्योंकि otherwise it's not going to work. हल्का जिन्ना ठंडा होए, कोसा ही होए ना, उन्हें basically cling foil दे उत्ते रख के उन्हें oil करके फैला के एक स्क्वायर जब बना लो, जिस तरह मैं स्क्वायर नहीं रेक्टेंगल बना लो, एक्चुअली just make a rectangle out of it, rough rectangle. Put in your stuffing. One thing I would say, which I completely forgot from the top of my head because my kids were just running mad behind me. What I did, what actually I didn't do is I didn't add a little bit of this date paste into the nuts. It would be ideal कि जे तुसी थोड़ी जिनी ये जो date paste बनाई सी ना, इन्हों इधर अंदर पा दो, nuts के अंदर तो ये सारे basically इकट्ठे हो जाएंगे. कर दोगे तो ताड़ी ज़िंदगी आसान हो जाएगी. Otherwise, it will be a bit of a nightmare to roll it out. You can hear my little one screaming behind. So yeah, mother life. That's what it is. Welcome to motherhood. So I have rolled it. I'll put it in the fridge. If you're in a hurry, just put it in the freezer for half an hour and it's done. Once the core is cooled down, it's fine. What I've done is I've taken some ground pistachios. These are the best pistachios you can get in the market. The Gaziantep pistachios. They are from Turkey and they're absolutely brilliant. There's no food color added in it. It's pure pistachio green color and it's absolutely beautiful. So what I'm doing is I'm just rolling it and lightly massaging it. प्यार नाल कुटी कुटी उन्हें कर दो, बहुत थक गया है, बहुत दोनों टुर गया है बेचारा रोल दादा. So just cool it down and then the last mistake what I did was I was using a paring knife to cut this out, which is a wrong choice. Use a bread knife, because what bread knife does, it cuts through the nuts very effortlessly and your roll won't get destroyed. So if you've got some spare time, you're not pushed like me, just take some time out to do the cuts. So once it's done, I'm just going to plate it up, ready to serve. Serve it whenever you want to. It keeps really well up to 15 days in the fridge. Nothing goes wrong. Just take it out about 10-20 minutes before you're serving it, because it's got some ghee, so it's a little bit firm. But once it's outside at room temperature, it's very delicious to eat, very soft to eat. So in the end, it's the usual drill. Please do like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and I shall see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.